Good morning, all. This is Tom here. Just wanted to give you a quick layout update on signals on my third level. So it's been a while because I was having trouble getting some parts, and everything is starting to come in. And I finally got them up. And so let's go to the third level. I got some trains running, and you can see the trains. And right here, you got a yellow signal and a red signal. And let's see what happens. Now they're both yellow because they just exited the block, and that one turned green on the outside track, that one right there. And as he's going by that, it'll turn red as it enters that block. And this one here should be turning green. There it goes as it comes around. And then also up here, there's two signals. That's for the turnout. Then there's a signal here, but it's hard to see with the sunlight. See how it went red? Now it's in the block. So if we go to the other camera on the third level, you see the trains coming around, and then there's signals here that just went green, that one just went yellow, and as he comes around, it'll turn to green. And this here signal is red over red. That's protecting this turnout. And that's the turnout that comes from the helix. See the tunnel there? There's track back there. It's hard to see. But only time that goes green is when that turnout's turned. So we'll see what happens. And then there's those signal buildings I made on my 3D printer. I left them black so they look pretty good just the way they are. One there, and that's it. So I had the air conditioner on in the last video, and I think it was drowning out my sound. I want to hopefully the sound sounds okay on here, and we'll just go from there. So we'll just see how this all turns out. We go back down to the other camera on the third level again. As you can see, the signals are changing and making its way around. So that's it for today, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button at least. And also I'm getting close to 100 subscribers on my channel, so hopefully we get there soon. So we'll see you all in the next video, and I hope everybody has a great weekend, and everybody take care. This is Tom, and we'll see you.